Hello friends. So today we are going to get the temperature and humidity data. So I will teach you how to get the temperature and humidity data from your environment. So for this project I am using Arduino Uno. I have Arduino Nano as well, but I will be using Arduino Uno because this is the most common microcontroller. So I have a temperature and humidity sensor which is, you can see, AM2302, which is DHT22. If you will search on the internet DHT22 sensor, then you will easily find that sensor. So we will be getting the temperature and humidity data with by using this particular sensor. So this sensor has four legs, as you can see. So we will count from left to right. One is to give the power to the sensor. Second one is a output. Third one is will not be connected to the microcontroller, and fourth one is ground. So this will be the connection for this particular sensor. I'll be using means connector wires to connect it to the Arduino Uno, and we will be using Arduino IDE to program the microcontroller. So let's start this. So I'm using Arduino Uno. So I'm removing it. So the first pin will be connected to 3.3 volt, and second pin will be connected to the pin 2, second pin, D pin 2. This is, so second pin connected to here, and the third pin will not be connected to the microcontroller, and fourth pin will be the ground pin. So I am doing the connection. As you can see, I have connected the sensor with 3 wires. One is 3.3 volt to the first pin, second one is the output of the sensor that will go to the digital pin 2, and third one is the ground, means on the fourth pin of the sensor the ground is connected. So now we will see the code. Let's move to the Arduino IDE to get the code. So in the Arduino IDE, you just need to select the COM port to your microcontroller, and from the board I am selecting Arduino Uno, this one. So in the sketch you need to go to include library, manage library. It can take a little bit of time to get libraries downloaded. So after library is being downloaded, then search for DHT22 in the search section. Here you can search DHT22. Look for the DHT sensor library by Adafruit. So I have already installed it. If you will find, then you will see the install button over there. Just click on that button, it will get automatically installed. So then after that you can close it. Go to examples. In examples you will find the Adafruit unified sensor, and below that you will find DHT sensor library. Then go to DHT tester. The code is opened, so you can see the DHT pin is 2. The output for the DHT sensor will be connected to the second pin of the Arduino. Here you can see that they have defined the DHT22 sensor. If you have DHT11, then you will uncomment this section. Then after, you can see the connection instruction over here, that if you have the 3.3 voltage to your microcontroller, then the first pin will be connected to 3.3 instead of 5 volt. Second pin will be the output of DHT22 pin, which will be connected to the second pin of Arduino. Then the third pin, if the sensor has 3 pins, then third pin will be connected to ground. If the sensor has 4 pins, then third pin will be empty and will not be connected to any pin of the microcontroller. Fourth pin will be connected to the ground. That you can see that serial port has the baud rate of 9600, and here you can see that the DHT.read humidity will get the data of humidity from the sensor and load it to the H. Here the same as the temperature and the temperature also in Fahrenheit. So in the here you can see that all the things are being printed over here. So you just upload the code. Once the code is done uploading, you can see that here. Then open the serial monitor. You will see DHT test and the humidity and the temperature value. Temperature in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. Also you will see the heat index in degree and Fahrenheit. So here are the data. So by using this sensor you can easily make the weather station, which will get the data from environment, which is humidity and temperature. So you can use display with this particular project so that you can display the data on the LCD and any other display. So that's all for this project. If you try this at home, means try this project and ask me any question if you have, and if you are struggling with this particular project, I will happy to help you. You can follow me on Instagram as well with the same name, VEDTUBE, and I will help you over there also. So thank you guys. You can also comment the queries in the comment section. Signing out, VEDTUBE.